झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you lots and lots of silver jewelry, neck pieces, earrings, and there are few not gold jewelry, it is like matte gold jewelries which I'm going to show you, and I promise you that if you are going to watch this video you are going to love it. And by the way, all the jewelries I have bought from New Market. And yes, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The price of this one is 150. I think it is quite reasonable and it is really very good looking. I really liked all the pieces of jewelry which I bought today, and yes, it is also a very elegant piece. This piece is priced at rupees 100, and when they say the price is rupees 100, you can't bargain with them, you know. And I believe if you are a jewelry lover, before the pujas you must visit New Market, but there's one thing, you must take all the necessary precautions and try to visit at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. In that part of the time, you know, the market is pretty much empty. I went at around 11 o'clock and the market was really empty and quite safe also. It is really pretty, isn't it? Every time you can't wear those heavy jewelries. For that reason I bought this earring, and it is really very lightweight, and if you are going to office, you are going to buy some grocery, that time you can't really wear those jewelry, but that time these jewelry, they fit in really well in your daily life. By the way guys, I have started a new segment on my channel that is not going inside, that's the problem, you know. That is story with yes, it is also very pretty, and this is of, you know, gunmetal, black metal, what metal you will say. What I was telling is I have started a new segment, and where I will be reading out stories. Most probably every night I will be uploading a video where I will be reading out a story to all of you. A story, it might be any autobiography, something like that. I will be reading out to you, and something motivational, something good, which after when you watch that video and when you go to sleep, you will feel good. That much I can tell you. And yes, I'm trying to put this in, and it's not just going in. This is a problem which I face often. Guys, the price of this earring is 150, and it is super duper beautiful. And when I'm showing you this, I want to show you something else also. These are the bangles, and these are pretty much similar, you know. I'm just going to wear it. Oh my god, one ghungru broke, and this is really very disheartening. And yeah, so this is how it looks. It is really beautiful, guys, really beautiful. This is a beautiful necklace, and I'm going to wear it and I'm going to show you all, but first you see to it how beautiful it is, and it is going to suit with your any kind of ethnic wear. If you wear a sari, if you wear a churidar, whatever, and it is going to make you look so beautiful. Now I am in love with this neck piece, guys. See, it is very sleek, and see to it, have a closer look. It is so beautiful. It is not a typical golden color. It is golden, but it has a matte finish. Now I'm wearing it and you're going to see how does it look on me. The price of this one is 250 and the price of, one sec, this one I just forgot to mention, it is 300. Now there is one more neck piece and see to it. Isn't it beautiful? It is so sleek. Now if you are someone who are not into heavy jewelry, you can wear it. I am telling you, you are going to love it. I am going to wear it and I am going to show you how does it look on me. The price of this neck piece is rupees 200 and it is pretty affordable, I must tell you. And one more best part is that you can just style up your jewelry in different ways. Now I am having these two neck pieces of same color, right? So what I can do, I can just first put this neck piece around my neck because this is the sleek one and the chain is also short, so I am putting it first. Okay, and here you can see the chain is longer, so now I am putting it around my neck. Okay, now who can tell you that you are wearing two neck pieces, right? So it is going to give you a very elegant and beautiful look, I must tell you. You can try this out with different neck pieces. It is going to work out very well, guys. Just try this out. This is the most beautiful neck piece which I have got for myself and you can see it. It is so beautiful. The price of this one is 750 and you need to bargain with them a lot. They were telling me it was 850 or 950, somewhat like that, and then I bargained and I got it at 750. Isn't it really beautiful? And I'm going to tell you something so sad, that I bought this earring at rupees, you can see, at rupees 100 and it is so pretty, but when I came home it just broke. It made me very sad, but okay, it happens, in life. At times something good happens, something bad happens, you have to just take it on your chin. And I am so happy that I bought all the jewelries and I made this video, and in one day's time I uploaded this video, and I hope that with this video you will get an idea what kind of jewelry you are getting in this Durga Puja in New Market. So guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like and do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Just be my friend. All the links are down there given below. If you want, you can just check it out. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed. Tata, God bless. Bye bye.